Hello friends, welcome back. This is Nail Mendu. In this video, we will see a small example on user control. I already explained in my site how to use a user control and how to create a user control and how to add a few controls to the user control and how to add this control into your web page. So let's create user control. I'm creating a video so that you can see it practically. So let's create a web page here, this website. So in this website, as I showed, let's add a user control, add a new item, go to website menu and select add a new item. In this, add web user control. I'm adding web user control here. Just click add. You see a control tag here. When you see our default ASPX, you see a page tag. That's the difference. So in the control tag indicates it's a control, but we are adding a group of server controls. So collection of server controls, we can name it as user control. But the main use of user control is we can use any number of pages. So as your requirement, you need to create a web user control. Like if you want the same code or same controls in a multiple pages or multiple location, you can use web user control. Okay, so let's go to the design mode and drag few controls here. As I showed in my example, I'm just dragging one label control, and button control. So first we will play with this two controls. So when you go to the default .aspx and go to design mode and just drag and drop your user control, so you will see the same thing, but you cannot edit a label control or button control from here. So this whole thing is showing as a control but here you can edit things. So here if you change the button name, so when you save it, it reflects into every page. So let's create another page here. This page also I will just drag and drop, same thing. So you will see two pages having the same control with same controls like child controls. So when you go to the source, you will see some tag added here. It's assembly registered. I mean, for every user control you need to have this. So when you drag and drop, it's automatically created, so don't worry about that. So let's have some events here. When you are working with the user control, you just use a button. Let's put some space. just double click on the button control. Here let's write a label one dot text. Welcome to coaches.com. So when you run the default dot aspx, you will see welcome to .cooltunes.com. Okay, you can see same thing, default 2 dot aspx, same thing. Let's find out. Let's change the title name so that it will be easy to understand which page we are looking. Default 2. Let's name it as default 1. When you refresh in default 2, you will see the same thing, and in default you will see the same thing. So the same functionality in different pages, right? Okay, that's a user control we can use like that. So when you click on it, we will change some text. So click is working. So let's save it. Let's refresh it. So when you click on it, you will see that text is changing. So when you go to the other page also, when you click, you will see same thing. Okay, so as my requirement, what I will do is, for default 2 page, I want different text, and for default page I need a different text when the welcome message is coming. I want like that. So for the welcome message or anything, you can handle it in user control or in any pages. So let's create a property here. Okay, I created a property here. So with this property, what I will do, I will go to the default dot aspx. I'll use web user control 1. Let's see here. Yeah, it says 1 chart text. I will give a property web user control text has welcome to my first, or welcome to default 1, as a simple way. It's the same thing. same thing I will do welcome to default 2. So we will catch this in user control. So here I will write as text here. Okay, so let's go to our web page. Let's go to the default. See, welcome to default 1. When you go to the default 2 page, you will see different text, welcome to default 2. Okay, but the click event will be same. You can work on this click event also if you want. So here here is a small example of how to add a web user control, and how to add few controls into the web user control, and how to create some events, and how to add a property, and then how to access it from our web pages. So that's it, a small video on user control. You can visit my site cooltuts.com and give me feedback from that. But actually I got this idea like when I'm working in my office. I thought to add this small tutorial. I just wrote some explanation and created some images with some example. The same example I explained in our video, but I added a property part here. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.